said the dryer turns on, but it doesn't dry their clothes, so let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna hit the door switch, then hit the start button. Yeah, as you can see, it's not spinning. Probably gonna be a pop belt. Let's check the belt. Make sure we turn the power off. Yep, belt popped. So I will go get another one at the shop. Yeah, the symptom with a pop belt is when you hit the start button, it turns on when you push it in, and when you let go, it shuts the dryer off. It's just a safety mechanism to keep from burning your house down. I'm going to take these out so we can pull the front off. One on each side. Alright, once you remove the screws, you can just pull the front off and set it aside. You don't have to disconnect the wires or anything. Alright, I pulled the dryer drum out. Once the belt goes, you can just pull it out. It's free. You might have to fight it a little bit, cuss at it a little bit, but it'll come out. And I checked the pulley wheel that's in there, and this is the culprit. It's like all worn down on this side. I don't know if that's coming up on camera. This is a good one I'm going to use. You can see how that back wall back here got worn down. This is the good one I'm going to use. It's higher. So that's our culprit. That's why it popped. It's a little sharp right here. So I'm going to switch the pulley wheel and the belt. Pulley wheel is real easy to install. I'll see if I can hold the camera and get it in there. Yeah, dudes, real quick, if the belt was good and you hit the start button and then let go and it shut off, check this switch right here. It's usually bad when that happens. Pull these wires off the ends and check it with your meter continuity. And you have to push the button in with your pulley wheel once I install it. Push the button in and check for continuity. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Let's see if I can do this and hold the camera. It's just got to go into that hole right there. There we go. Pop it up into that hole right there. Let it ride along the edge. You'll hear the switch click. This is the switch I was talking about. Hear that clicking? Click it and then test it for continuity. So like when the belt pops, boom, it disengages that switch, shuts the dryer off. So that way the heating element don't stay on and burn your house down. Alright, now I'm going to put the belt back on and we're ready to roll. This pulley wheel looks way better. Alright, you gotta pull that pulley all the way down as far as you can. And then loop the belt around the motor shaft. And then let go of the pulley. And now you're on, you're good. Put the front back on. These things take a little practice. Take a little practice, but once you do about 3 or 4, you'll get good at it. Had to blow a few of them up before I got good. Good thing our mistakes are our greatest teachers, right? Alright, I got the breaker back on. Now when I got here and they pushed the start button in, it would come on. Then when they would let go, it would shut off. So here we go. Sweet. We'll put the top back on. Yeah, it's the old worn out pulley wheel. Snapped it. Alright, I hope this helps. Thank you all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.